Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use FileSafe in Vivo. First, let's understand what FileSafe is and why it's so useful. It's a built-in feature on your Vivo smartphone designed to keep your personal data, like photos, videos, and documents, completely private. Think of it as a secure, hidden vault within your phone, accessible only by you. This ensures your sensitive information remains protected from prying eyes, offering you peace of mind and enhanced security for your digital life. Setting up FileSafe is straightforward. Begin by opening your phone settings and finding the Security or Privacy section. Look for FileSafe or File Encryption and tap to enter. You'll then be prompted to create a secure password, which can be a 4-digit PIN, a pattern, or an alphanumeric combination. For added convenience, you can also enable fingerprint unlock. Remember this password, as it's your key to accessing your protected content. Once FileSafe is set up, adding your private files is simple. Open the FileSafe application and you'll see categories like pictures, videos, and documents. Choose the relevant category, then tap the Add or Move In button. This will allow you to browse your phone's gallery or file manager. Select the items you want to protect, confirm your choice, and they will be securely moved into your FileSafe, disappearing from their original locations. Accessing your protected files is as easy as opening the FileSafe app and entering your chosen password, or using your registered fingerprint. Inside, you can view your hidden photos, watch videos, or open documents. If you need to share a file or move it back to public storage, simply select the item and choose the Move Out or Share option. Remember to regularly manage your FileSafe to keep your sensitive data organized and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.